From raw ingredients to a finished bottle, this is the complete journey of Coca-Cola. Step by step, we follow the science, engineering, and precision behind its production. Corn is processed through wet milling. This extracts starch for sweetener production. Centrifuges separate starch from other components. This ensures purity for syrup conversion. Enzymes convert starch into glucose syrup. This forms the base sweetener. Isomerization converts glucose into HFCS. This provides consistent sweetness. Evaporators concentrate the syrup. This achieves required sugar density.
Levels are steady. Checking the sensor. Looks good. Hose is secure. Confirmed. All clear.
Tankers unload liquid sweetener. This feeds the blending system. Sugar refining removes impurities. This guarantees food-grade quality. Sweetener enters blending tanks. This prepares it for formulation. Water enters the treatment system. This begins purification. Sand filtration removes large particles. This protects downstream equipment. Activated carbon eliminates odors and chemicals. This improves taste quality. Reverse osmosis filters dissolved solids. This ensures high-purity water. UV sterilization destroys microorganisms. This guarantees safety. Water samples are tested in the lab. This verifies compliance standards. Treated water and sweetener mix in stainless tanks. This forms base syrup. Caramel color is added precisely. This creates the signature appearance. Phosphoric acid is dosed carefully. This provides acidity balance. Flavor concentrate is blended under control. This defines the brand taste. Caffeine is injected accurately. This completes the formula. PLC systems monitor operations. This ensures automation and consistency. Agitators homogenize the syrup. This maintains uniform composition. Syrup flows through pipelines. This transfers it to processing lines. pH levels are measured. This confirms proper acidity. Brix readings are recorded. This verifies sweetness concentration. Microbiological testing is performed. This ensures hygienic safety. Carbon dioxide is stored in bulk tanks. This prepares for carbonation. Liquid is chilled through heat exchangers. This improves CO2 absorption. The beverage enters carbonation chambers. This infuses CO2 under pressure. Dissolved CO2 levels are measured. This ensures correct fizz. PET pellets feed injection molding machines. This forms bottle preforms. Stretch blow molding forms final bottles. This creates the packaging shape. Bottles move on air conveyors. This transports them efficiently. Aluminum sheets are pressed into cans. This shapes the container body. Cans receive internal coating. This protects beverage quality. Plastic caps are molded. This seals the product securely. Bottles are rinsed with purified water. This removes contaminants. Containers move to filling stations. This prepares for beverage insertion. Carbonated drink is filled under pressure. This prevents gas loss. Filled cans move along the line. This maintains production flow. Seaming machines seal can lids. This locks carbonation inside. Capping machines secure bottle caps. This ensures airtight closure. Laser coders print batch information. This enables traceability. Labels are applied automatically. This provides branding and data. Vision systems inspect each unit. This removes defects. Multi-packs are shrink-wrapped. This prepares retail bundles. Robotic arms palletize cases. This organizes shipment loads. Pallets are stretch-wrapped. This stabilizes transport units. Automated warehouses store finished goods. This manages inventory efficiently. Shipments are scanned digitally. This updates logistics systems. Forklifts move pallets to docks. This prepares dispatch. Trucks are loaded at the dock. This begins distribution. Supervisors verify shipment details. This ensures accuracy. Products travel in refrigerated trucks. This preserves freshness. Distribution centers receive pallets. This redistributes to retailers. Inventory is scanned on arrival. This confirms stock levels. Pallets are sorted for routes. This optimizes delivery. Retail trucks are loaded. This prepares local distribution. Trucks depart the facility. This starts retail supply. Deliveries arrive at supermarket docks. This transfers goods to stores. Staff unload cases into storage. This prepares shelf stocking. Cartons are stored by batch. This maintains rotation control. Bottles are placed in refrigerated units. This ensures chilled display. Multi-packs are arranged on shelves. This maximizes visibility. Coolers are fully stocked. This offers ready access. Bottles chill behind glass doors. This maintains serving temperature. Promotional displays are arranged. This increases customer engagement. A customer selects a chilled bottle. This completes the purchase decision. The product is scanned at checkout. This finalizes the sale. Forklifts load additional outbound pallets. This supports extended transport. Delivery trucks travel highways. This moves product across regions. Fleet distribution expands nationwide. This ensures market coverage. Trucks unload at retail locations. This maintains supply continuity. Pallets move into store storage. This prepares replenishment. Staff restock refrigerators. This maintains product availability. Shelves display organized products. This enhances shopping experience. Coolers remain stocked and chilled. This ensures freshness. The customer picks a cold bottle. This begins consumption. The cap is opened and the drink is enjoyed. This completes the journey from factory to consumer. If you value detailed industrial documentaries like this, subscribe to stay connected for more in-depth production stories.